Welcome back to MW Technology. Today, we're diving into 7 mind-blowing Temu gadgets that are clever, useful, and too good to miss. Let's jump right in. 1. Mini fridge. This 4-liter mini fridge is small but mighty. It holds up to 6 cans and works as both a cooler and a warmer. Perfect for snacks, drinks, or even skincare products. You can power it with a standard AC outlet or a 12-volt car adapter, making it perfect for road trips, dorm rooms, or your office desk. Portable, quiet, and energy efficient. 2nd, smart pet door. Give your cat the freedom to roam while keeping unwanted visitors out. This smart pet door includes 2 RFID collar tags and a remote control to ensure only your pet can come and go. It features a 4-way locking system. Open, in only, out only, or fully locked, giving you total control. It's weatherproof, battery-free, and microchip compatible, offering both convenience and security. A must-have for cat owners who want peace of mind and fewer surprise guests indoors. 3rd, smart curtain robot. Make your curtains smarter with this 3-in-1 curtain robot. It fits most track rail and rod setups and installs without tools. Once set up, you can control it via app, remote, timer, or even voice assistants like Alexa or Google Home. It opens and closes your curtains automatically based on your schedule or preferences. Built-in rechargeable batteries mean you won't have to deal with cords, and the compact size blends right in with your decor. It's a surprisingly simple way to add some automation to your daily life. 4th, Gao pool cleaner robot. Pool maintenance? Meet automation. The Gosvor cordless vacuum robot is made for above-ground pools and runs up to 90 minutes on a single charge. It's completely wireless and smart enough to park itself after cleaning. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to store and deploy whenever your pool needs a refresh. Whether you're prepping for a party or just doing routine cleaning, this robot handles the dirty work while you relax. 5th, smart carry-on luggage. Travel smart with this 20-inch rolling suitcase. It's lightweight, fits airline carry-on standards, and features a built-in TSA-approved lock for extra security. The smooth glide wheels make it easy to maneuver through busy terminals, and its hard-shell exterior protects everything inside. Whether you're flying for business or heading out for a weekend trip, this smart luggage keeps your essentials organized and secure. 7. Self-cleaning ice maker. This compact countertop ice maker pumps out 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes, producing up to 26 pounds of ice in a day. Great for parties, small kitchens, or road trips. It also features a self-cleaning function and cooling insulation so your ice stays frozen longer. And here's a twist. It can even double as a mini fridge for drinks. Just plug it in and you're ready to chill. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like the video. Thanks.